Sabadi and hello. Yes, it's great to see you again in another video. In this video, what we are going to do is go on to Unit 11 and review. Yes, so please take out your student book and open on page 140 and let's get started with the first activity. Okay, let's take a look at our first activity. Complete. Give the correct tenses as the example given. Right, so let's take a look at the tenses first. We have present simple tense, present continuous tense, and the past simple or simple past tense. Yes, so let's take a look at the example first. Every day I catch a bus. At the moment I am catching a bus. Yesterday I caught a bus. Right, let's go over the present simple rules first. Subject, I, he, she, they, and then the verb, infinitive form. Yes, just the normal verb, no changes. I catch a bus, I eat food, I drink water. Right, every day I drink water, every day I catch the bus, every day I eat breakfast. Right, so those are examples of the present simple tense. Right, the present continuous tense is the subject plus is, am, are plus verb ing. Yes, that's right, ing. Walking, talking, sitting, drinking, meeting, all those types of verbs, right? So put ing and then of course the object or rest of the sentence. Right, so let's take a look at the past simple tense. Yes, or the simple past tense. Right, this one is easy. It's verb ed plus ed, or it's verb version 2 or v2. Right, the simple past version. So let's take an example. Is, was, eat, ate, sit, sat, swim, swam, have, had, and put. And also meet, met. Right, so those are irregular past verbs. Right, sit, sat, the one that changes. So we write the changed one over here. Either we write V2 or we write ED. Okay, let's take a look at the sentences together. The first sentence they have is over here. I met my friend. Yesterday I met my friend. Today I am meeting my friend. And every day I meet my friend. So every day I meet my friend. Every day, or at the moment, I am meeting my friend. And yesterday, I met my friend. Right, let's take a look at this one. I am putting on my hat. Right, that's the present continuous tense, ing. So double T, let's just say one T, right? One T. Every day, I put on my hat. One T, P-U-T, put on my hat. And yesterday I put on my hat. It stays the same. Yes, it's an irregular verb. Put. Okay. Right, let's take a look at the next one. Every day I read a book. At the moment I am reading a book. And yesterday I read a book. Right, we speak read, but we spell it the same as read. So R-E-A-D. Yesterday I read a book. I read a book, R-E-A-D. Right, let's take a look at the next one. I sat on the chair. Yesterday I sat on the chair. At the moment I am sitting on the chair. And every day I sit on the chair. Right, now what I want you to do is complete this one, and the last one over here. So, I swim in the river, I have a shower, and I am writing a letter. Yes, please make sure that these are all irregular verbs, right? So, verb V2. Okay, let's go on to number 2, our next activity. Let's take a look at number 2. Yes, right. Complete the text with the correct verb forms. Right, the verb will change again. So let's go and take a look at what it is. Last Sunday, Bunsi and Kamdi went to the river. Yes, you can see the verb go in brackets over here is the one you should change, right? So, they went to the river, they catch the bus, past tense, verb V2, they caught the bus at 7:30 and arrived ed, yes, arrived ed at the river around 8 o'clock. So they want you to change these words into past tense. Yes, so the irregular verbs and regular verbs change to the past tense. So verb V1 or verb ED. Right. So please take a look and complete them in your book. Yes, please take a look at these verbs and change them into the past tense and write them in your book. Right, let's go on to activity number 3. Yes, activity number 3 is reading. Read the text and answer the questions. Well, lucky for you, I will read you the text. I want you to listen very carefully, and then we can just answer the questions below. Okay, so please listen and repeat if you want to. Let's go. At the zoo. Last Saturday, Koopa and her brother Pokeo went to the zoo to see the animals. They went there on the bus. They bought some food at the zoo to give to the animals. First, they went to see the monkeys because Pokeo likes them. He likes to watch them climb up and down the trees. The monkeys are very naughty. A small monkey took the woman's bag and put it at the top of the tree. Pokeo gave the monkeys some bananas. Next, they went to see the emus and kangaroos. There were 2 lions in a big cage, and behind them there were 2 tigers in another cage. Koopa felt afraid of the tiger when she saw their big teeth, so she did not give them any food. Then Koopa had a ride on an elephant. Pokeo took his sister's photograph. After that, they looked at the crocodiles and gave meat to them. Pokeo wanted to play with the monkeys again. It was time to go back home. They went to the bus station and caught the bus home. They enjoyed their visit to the zoo very much. Okay, before we continue, please take your pen and add an S right over here. Right, it's monkeys, not monkey. Right, let us take a look at the questions. Okay, question number 1. Who went to the zoo? There are 2 people who went to the zoo. Names the 2 people who went to the zoo. Okay, why did they take food with them? This one is easy to give to the animals. Which animals did they see first? They saw the monkeys first, right? How many tigers were in the zoo. Yes, how many tigers were there? There were 2 tigers. Yes, there were 2 tigers in the zoo. Which animal did Kilpa ride on? Right. Kilpa rode on an elephant. Yes, she rode, R-O-D-E, on an elephant. Right, so that is it for these 5 questions. Yes, so please make sure to answer them in your book. Right, let's move on to our next activity, true or false. True or false? Yes. True meaning yes and false is no, right? We've done this in class a few times. Let's take a look at the questions. Well, number 1, a small monkey put Kilpa's bag in the tree. True or false? Right. Pokeo rode on an elephant. True or false? Kilpa felt afraid of the tigers. True or false? And Kilpa wanted to play with the monkeys again. True or false? And Pokeo and his sister had a good day. True or false? Right, let's go and take a look and see which one is true and which one is false. Okay, let's take a look at the answers quickly. Yes, a small monkey put Kilpa's bag in the tree. False. The monkey put a woman's bag in the tree. Yes, they did not say whose bag. Next up, number 2, Pokeo rode on an elephant. False. Kilpa rode on an elephant, not Pokeo. Pokeo took the picture. Right, Kilpa felt afraid of the tigers. True. She became afraid when she saw their big teeth. Right. Number 4, Kilpa wanted to play with the monkeys again. False. Pokeo wanted to play with the monkeys. Right. Pokeo and his sister had a good day. True. They enjoyed their trip to the zoo. Right. Enjoyed is also a good thing. So a good day. Right, everybody, let's move on to our final activity for our review today. Let's take a look at our last activity, number 4, read and complete. Complete the sentences with the words in the box. Yes, so let's go over the words in the box real quick. Cold, yes, cold. Happy, bored, ill, ill or sick, right? Ill is sick or not good, not feel good. Then we have good, right? Let's take a look at the words. First sentence real quick. I'm not well today. I feel okay. I'm not very well today. I feel okay. Pick the best one to fit in these words. Sumali is not sad, she's I don't like hot drinks. Please put an S over there. I like it. Are you interested in this game? No, I feel. And is this the condition car or the bad one? So is this a good condition car or the bad one? Right, so number 5 is good. This sentence does not really make sense, so please put a good condition car or the bad one. Right, so number 5 is good. You can find number 4, number 3, number 2, number 1 by yourself. Please fill it out in your book. Right, let's go and take a look at what you need to send in the WhatsApp group. Okay, your homework is to do activities number 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? Please make sure that activity number 3 has 2 parts, right? One is the questions and the other one is true or false. Once you finish doing these activities, please take a picture and post it in the WhatsApp group. That is it from me for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.